Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the American Cocktail Club for July. Do you want to see what we'll be making? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is July's Cocktail Club, and if you don't know, Cocktail Club is $34.99 for the box without the alcohol, or the everything box is $44.99, and they give you enough to make 4 cocktails. And the first month was not so great. The second month was pretty good. So let's go ahead and see what I will be making and see if this month is good. So when you open this up, everything, and I do the everything box, and I think on this one, I want to say I bought a 6-month subscription. So if that's the case, then I have 3 more boxes coming. But if I only did 3 months, then this one would be my last. I'm not quite sure. Ooh, I see strawberries. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open it. There are like some preserved strawberry slices that are trying to come out, and there is some strawberry jam as well. So what we have in here, well, let's see what we're gonna be making. Strawberry blonde. Ooh. So we're gonna be making a strawberry blonde. It talks about the person that came up with this cocktail, and it goes over the exact recipe and how to make the drink right here. So again, it does come with the strawberries right here. It has 4 of the strawberry preserve. It gives you 4 of the alcohol, which is 92 proof larceny 1870. I'm not sure, I've never had this before. So there's that. This is a whiskey, a bourbon, Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. There's 4 of these. There's 1 can of club soda, and then there is 1 glass bottle of spicy ginger mule premium cocktail mixer with lime, ginger, and mint. And then there's that bottle. So it just says steps: combine the strawberry jam, the spicy ginger mule, and the bourbon in a shaker. Add ice and shake well. Drain, strain into a highball glass over ice. Garnish with the dehydrated strawberry and optional mint sprig. Now, the only thing it doesn't give you is if it calls for any fresh ingredients like lemon juice, mint, or anything like that. I don't have mint. I'm trying to grow a little mint plant, but it's not doing anything yet. So I don't have mint. So I'm gonna do this without mint, which is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these cocktails, and then I will come back and let you know what it tastes like. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I made it as it told me to. The only thing was shaking it with the preserves, the jam, the jelly in there. It didn't really get in my cup. A lot of it stayed in my shaker. So I tried to kind of stir it up a little bit more to try to get that flavor in there, but it just wasn't really liking me. So I have this, and I put the little strawberry on the top. Let's see. It's a little, that whiskey you can definitely taste, that's for sure. It's a little strong. Like, I don't know if I were to get this at a bar, like if I would be like, yeah, give me another. It's different. I'm glad to try new things that I can just make here at my own house once a month, but I probably wouldn't order this in a bar. So it's kind of cool. That gives you different things to try, definitely to step out of your alcohol comfort zone. Let's see. The second one is a little better. It's a little better. So I made 2 just like this, and it gives you a total of 4. So I have 2 more that I can make. and that gives me and my man both 2 drinks. It's not like you can really like save it for another night, because once you open the club soda and the other little concoction in a bottle, those really don't last after a few days. So we pretty much need to make the whole thing. If they put like 2 smaller things of club soda, then you could actually break it up and do them in different nights, but that's not how they do it. So I end up having to make all 4 of them the night that I do this video for you guys, which is okay with me. But yeah, so there we have it, you guys. I don't really taste the strawberryness in there. All I taste is the whiskey. It's getting better every time I drink it. But there is that. What did I make? A strawberry blonde? There we have it. What do you guys think? Would you like this month's box and what they crafted for our cocktail to make? Again, I'm not sure if I did 3 months or I did 6 months. This is probably not one that I would resubscribe to, but I thought it was definitely different and unique. There's tea boxes, there's coffee boxes, there's so many different boxes. So when I came across an alcohol one, I was like, let me get that. 'Cause let me show my viewers what an alcohol box is all about. I do have a wine box one, so I just thought it would be perfect just to show you guys something new and different. And this is the 3rd one that I am making. So again, let me know down below what you think. Your positive interaction with me means the world. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.